So the next best thing for me was dividends. So I was like, okay, what do I use every day? My phone bill, AT&T, and I have an Apple product. So because AT&T pays a 5%, 6% dividend yield, I was like, okay, I need this many shares of this business to pay off my phone bill, because AT&T pays quarterly, which is every 3 months. Mm-hmm. Disney pays semi-annually, which is twice a year. And then you have some businesses that pay every month, right? Mm-hmm. So I was like, okay, if I can get AT&T to pay my phone bill through their dividends 4 times a year, then I have essentially bought back my freedom, because I no longer have to work to pay for that phone bill. AT&T paying it for me. And so you can do that with if you're in Georgia, you can use Southern Company, which is another great dividend business. How much is your phone bill? I mean, your light bill, $80, $100. They pay like a 3-4% dividend. Figure out how much the dividend is per quarter, how many shares you'll need of that business, and then let that pay your light bill. So if you can use your dividends from a business to pay your light bill and your phone bill, you've bought back some of your freedom. Because now you can take that money and invest it and do something else with it.
Absolutely.
That's optimizing your money. The money is just a tool. We know that much. So if we can use the tool to do what it's supposed to do, then we get maximum value for it.
And that's so once you fully understand investing, you start to understand that when you're around Spanish enough, you start to understand it a little bit better. Mm-hmm. Maybe you might not be able to speak it, but you can kind of have a general understanding of it, right? The same thing with investing. When you're around the language of investing, it starts to make sense, and you realize that they're all kind of similar. What you just explained was the same theory that DJ Envy explained to us when he says that he doesn't buy any liability until he has an asset to pay for it. His thing is real estate. So he buys a home, and now he has a home to actually pay rental for his Lamborghini or something like that. Like, you know what I'm saying?
I feel that.
You just breaking it down on a small level.
Right.
But
I mean, that's key though, right? If you break it out a small level, like.
Well, yeah. And then also what people have to understand too is that, so people might say, okay, well, I got to put $2,000 into a stock to get $100 dividend. It's not worth it. But the thing about it is that it's not like you're paying for something, you're investing. So that $2,000 is going to grow over the course of time while you're getting your dividends. So it's not like you just putting your money into Never Ever Land. It's actually going to an investment that'll probably gain value over the course of time. But in the meantime, you're actually gaining income that you can use via the dividend. And now you can actually use that to support your lifestyle. Because like you said, you got to find a way to actually make money while you're sleeping. That's what Warren Buffett said, right? He said if you don't make money while you're asleep, you work till you die.
Yeah.
So by doing that, now you're actually, okay, now I can, like you said, you can focus on, okay, now I did that. Now I got to do something to pay my rent. I got to do something to pay my mortgage. And I got to do something to pay my car bill. And then before you know it, you're not actually paying anything yourself. It's all being paid for you, which leaves you more money, because that $200 now you can actually reinvest and do other things, and just kind of like a domino effect.
It's like Lord of the Sunset. He was like, yo, I treat money like little soldiers. They have to go work.
Listen, but also, you're forgetting something that's major. The ownership.
Yep.
You feel me? So while your money is working for you through the dividends, your ownership, your equity is also increasing.
Yeah.
So that's how you leverage the game with that.